How to apply AliExpress coupon. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply coupons so you can save money on AliExpress when you shop. It's super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your AliExpress app or go to the aliexpress.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of your app, tap on Account section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on Coupons. In the coupon section, you'll see the available coupons that you have. The available coupons that I have is store coupon code. This store coupon code can be only applied to the specific item of that particular store, and the AliExpress coupon codes could be applied on any item that is available on AliExpress. I don't have any AliExpress coupon code, but if you have one, you are lucky. So I'll use store coupon code, copy the coupon code and head to that particular store. There are various discount coupon codes available. Tap on that product, then hit on buy now. Click on continue. Now in the checkout section, scroll a bit down till you see promo code option and fill in the promo code. Once you fill in the promo code, the discount will be automatically applied to your total. And that's it. That's how you can apply coupons and save big on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button. And also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.